for the open face. So we're just going to fold it like this. There's two folds. Just like that. This is the open face. This open face is for the injury of head, face, and chest. Fold is the cravat face. So we're just going to fold this part in here, just like that. Then another fold in this side. So we fold it like that. Then we're just going to take the inside, just like that. So this is the cravat face. So this fold is for the injuries of shoulders, arms, legs, and foot. The next fold is the broad cravat. So to do that fold, we're just going. Next fold is the broad cravat. So to do that fold, we're just going to fold these two sides, just like that, and we have a broad cravat now. So this fold is for all injuries. The next fold, we have a narrow cravat. So to do that fold, we're just going to fold another two sides in here. So just like that, this is the narrow cravat. So this fold is for all injuries also. So the first technique that we're going to teach is the head injury. So first, we have a hand dito. Then we're just going to fold it in the front, like just like that. And the front part that we're gonna fold, we're going to put it in his foreheads, just like this. Then sides, we're just going to cross it in the back. Then, just like that. Going to cross it. And the excess part, we're just going to put it in here. Then, in two sides, we're going to cross it in front, just like this. So when crossing these two sides, always remember the method, the right over left and left over right. So just going to make it up, right over left and left over right. So for the second technique that we're going to teach you guys is the arm sleeve. So the face that we're going to use is the open face also. Then support his arm near the chest. Okay? So the other side will be in the back. Then the other side will be in the front. Make sure that the apex is in here. And in the back, we're going to cross it. Always remember the right over left and left over right. Okay? Then, for the excess, like this, just going to fold it. Just like that. This is the arm sleeve. For the third technique is the chest injury. We're going to use the open face.
What's the open faces?
Yes. So this apex, we're going to put it in the affected part of the chest, just like that. Then the two tails in the back. We're going to use a square knot on them. cut. So, the longer tail, which is this tail, the longer tail, will be connected on the apex. In this side. Make sure that you don't need to put pressure, not too much pressure in the tape. Just tie another square knot into it. Just like that, we have this for the chest injury. So for the fourth technique, we're going to teach you guys the elbow injury. So we have here the elbow injury. Then we're going to use the narrow cravat. Then we're going to fold it in the, then cross it, fold it. Don't put too much pressure on this. Then now these two tails, we're going to cross it. Cross it like this. Then the two tails will be in this. Then make a square knot on this. And just like that, we did the elbow injury.
For the next injury is, we call this the hand injury, and we use the cravat face for it. First step is to put the bandage in the palm of the patient, and next we wrap it around. This part we will wrap it around the palm, and this part is the under the pin. Tawag dito, thumb. Next is to wrap it around again. And we use the square knot, which is the right over left and left over right. And that's it. The seventh technique is the shoe off technique, and we also use the cravat face for it. First thing we do is to put the bandage on top of the foot of the patient and wrap it all around. And the next step is to move the leg here and wrap it behind. After that, we make a cross here in the front, and the tail will be put here inside the sides, and then pull and make a square knot, which is right over left. Right. That's it. For the 8th technique, which is the shoe on technique, this is the same technique in the 7th technique. We also use the cravat face for it. But the difference from it is we put the bandage under the foot of the injured body, and we tie it around in the back of the ankle. And then we make a cross here in the front and pull the tail to the side big part. Like we make square knot, just right over there.
Take note guys, this technique is for the straights.
That's it.
I hope you guys learned something today. Now you have the prior knowledge to save lives and protect.
Even you're not a certified first aider, you can still perform these techniques on the victim. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.